Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to share your iCloud calendar with someone else. So in order to do that, what you need to do first is open your calendar, and from your calendar application you just need to go down and click this calendar box. And from here you just choose the calendar you want to share with your someone else. And from here, as you can see the red icon, just tap here once and you will be redirected to this screen. And here, as you can see, it says add person. What you need to do is just tap here once, and from here you type the name of the person you want to add. You can type multiple names as well, and after that what you need to do, just tap the add button. After that, an invitation will be sent to the person you have added. Once they accept your invitation, they will be able to see your calendar events and everything which you have set on your personal calendar. So yeah, that's how